Do you know exactly where your money went last month? Not approximately. Not roughly. Exactly. How much was food? How much was subscriptions? How much was impulse spending you don't even remember? We live in a world where we can track steps, heart rate, sleep cycles, productivity hours. But when it comes to money, the one resource that funds everything, most people are still guessing. We tell ourselves we'll update an Excel sheet. We promise to track expenses from next month. We download budgeting apps and stop using them within weeks. The problem isn't discipline. The problem is friction. Manual tracking requires effort, and anything that requires constant manual effort eventually collapses. Now think about this. Every transaction you make already leaves a digital trail. UPI payments, card swipes, online subscriptions, bank transfers. Your financial behavior is already data, but you're not listening to it. What if AI could? What if an intelligent system could automatically read your transactions, understand merchant names, detect recurring payments, categorize spending, and show you patterns without you entering a single row manually? What if your expenses were classified in real time? Food, transport, lifestyle, investments, essentials, hidden leaks. And beyond categorization, what if I could detect anomalies, predict next month's spending, warn you about subscription creep, identify behavioral patterns you never noticed? This is not about replacing budgeting apps. This is about building financial intelligence. In the coming podcast series on this channel, we are going to break this down from the ground up. First, we will understand the functional side, how automatic expense categorization works, where the data comes from, what categories truly matter, how behavioral insights are generated, what a fully automated expense AI system actually looks like. Then, we move into the technical implementation. We will design the architecture, work with transaction data, apply NLP on payment descriptions, train classification models, detect recurring patterns, build anomaly detection, deploy dashboards, and turn this into a working AI system. Not theory, not surface-level explanations, a complete, applied implementation. This series is for students who want real AI projects, professionals who want to understand applied machine learning, founders exploring fintech automation, and anyone who wants their money to finally make sense. In a world where I can generate art, write code, and simulate conversations, why are we still manually categorizing expenses? The podcast series on Use AI to track and categorize expenses automatically is coming soon. Stay tuned. Watch every episode. Because by the end of this series, you won't just understand AI in finance. You'll know how to build it. See you in the first episode.